Okay, we will wait for another 2-4 minutes, and we'll start the next problem on the problem on a truck. Okay, I have seen your marks also. Many students have received out of out marks, and many students, only few students have received less than 10 marks. But I don't feel that whatever the problems which I have given, they were difficult. They were very simple questions were there. If anyone is having any question related to this numerical, you can ask me. चैप्टर टेस्ट में किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन में दिक्कत होगी और कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ में आया है तो ऐसा पूछ लीजिएगा.
सर मला मार्क भेटले नाहीत की.
मार्क भेटत नाही तो ते काय होतं म्हणता का, मग आमच्यापेक्षा तुम्ही लय हुशार आहे. तुम्ही काय करताय की मार्क भेटले लगेच व्हॉट्सअपवर टाकताय. त्यामुळे मार्क आता आम्ही ठरवलं की काय करायचं की मेलने पाठवायचे किंवा तुम्हाला डायरेक्ट सगळ्या चॅप्टर टेस्टचे मार्क SMS द्वारे कळतील.
मेलला पण आले नाही सर.
नाही, मेलला बी नाहीत. मेलला आल्यावर लगेच तुम्ही कॉपी पेस्ट करता ना, या नाही करत तुम्ही?
नाही करत सर.
हा करतेत ना.
नाही सर.
बऱ्यापैकी असं ऑब्झर्व केलं जातं, त्यामुळं नाहीच ठेवलं. म्हणजे नको म्हणले सर, लोक म्हणले की नको असं काय करू नका म्हणले. क्वेश्चन पेपर मध्ये काय डिफिकल्टी नव्हती ना?
नव्हती सर.
मी टाकायचं म्हणलं तरी आता सुद्धा मार्क टाकू शकतो, आहेत माझ्याकडे मार्क. पण काय होतं माहिती आहे का की इश्यू काय होणार तुमचा की मार्क सांगायला काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही मला. सगळं आता सध्याला ओपनली म्हणजे ह्याच्यामध्ये टाकणं बरोबर वाटत नाही. काय जणांचे काही मार्क पडले त्यांना वाईट वाटतं की का सरांनी हे मार्क टाकून लागत होते, माझे मला वैयक्तिक कळाले असते तर चालले असते.
सर मेल करा की मग.
मेल म्हणजे सगळ्यांच्या टेस्ट झाल्या ना लगेच पाठवतो की.
बरं.
सर IAS चे मार्क कळाले नाही.
मार्क मिळाले की हो, पाठवले की हो.
नाहीत आले सर. नाही.
SMS सगळ्यांनी पाठवले. तुम्हीच पहिले
पर्सनल नंबर.
हा, तुमचे जे नंबर ह्यांच्याकडे आहेत की नाही, कदम सरांकडे जे नंबर आहेत त्याच्यावर पाठवले.
नाही सर आलाय मी. काय SMS नाही आला म्हणून वेट.
चालतंय, बघू मी काय करतो. ज्यांचे मार्क मिळाले नाही त्यांनी मला फक्त काय करा की टेलिग्रामवर टाका की मग आमचे मार्क पाठवा, मी तुम्हाला पाठवून देतो.
ओके सर.
ओके, हे सुद्धा मार्क मी टेलिग्रामवर टाकू शकतो, मला काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही. टाकू का?
टाका सर.
कोणाला काही इश्यू नाही ना? नाहीतर परत म्हणणार की सर तुम्ही आमचे मार्क कशाला हे केले. टाकू मार्क?
टाका सर.
Anyone is not having any issue related to this? कोई है? अक्षय चव्हाण. अजय.
यस सर.
हा, मार्क टाकले तर काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही ना रे?
नाही सर.
ओके, असं PDF मध्ये टाकलेत बा.
ओके सर.
टेलिग्रामवर टाकून देणार.
हा.
काय कोणाला डाऊट असेल तर विचारा यात. Okay, now we'll start for today's lecture. Assignment, open assignment booklet. We'll take one numerical. We have completed one first numerical of this chapter, question number 3.2.9, page number 114. Now we'll take another simple numerical. Here the less number of members are there that I'm searching. Okay, open page number 111. But already we have completed this now. Okay, we have completed this. Last time we have completed this. Okay, we'll take a numerical, page number 110. Draw this diagram. I am going to draw a direct FBD of this. 3.1.18. Page number 110. Page number 110. Three point 1.18. Okay. Page number 110, problem number 3.1.18. Now, anyone is having any issue related to the marks, chapter test mark? Anyone having any issue related to marks? If
No,
not,
sir. No, sir.
if not, please open page number 110 and try to solve problem number 3.1.18. 3.1.18. Very simple structure is there. In exam also they are going to ask such types of any question. They are not going to ask a difficult question. Find the forces in all members of truss as shown in figure below. The height they have given 4 meter, length they have given 6 meter. Height they have given 4 meter and length they have given 6 meter. Angle they have not given anywhere. But they have not also mentioned that these triangles are isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle. That way they have not mentioned. Okay, now we'll consider in this way. So first at all, we have required to find out the angles. These angles are very important. So before starting to find out reactions, we have required to find out this angle. So this distance is a 6 meter. This distance is a 6 meter. Now, and this height is a 4 meter. Now draw a vertical line perpendicular to this. Now this distance is a 3 meter and hypotenuse. Now you can check it this angle we have required to find out. So cos theta is equal to, write down, cos theta is equal to 3/4. How much you can check it? Here, cos theta means you can check it this. I have drawn this line. This is a perpendicular. This distance is a 3 meter. This distance is a 3 meter. Now find out the angle. Find out the angle. Cos theta is equal to 3 divided by 4.
41.
31.
41.42. 41.
Okay, so I will consider 41. If this is a 41, this angle is also 41. If this is a 41, this angle is also 41. 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 You check it. Means which angle we don't know. Each and every angle we know now. Means every angle is a 41. Have you understood? You can check it. If I'll consider this also, cos theta is equal to, sorry, we have made a small mistake. So cos theta will not come here. This is a 4 meter. So it is a tan theta is going to come, sorry. Tan theta is equal to 4/3. Tan theta is equal to 4 divided by 3. I thought that this is a 4, but actually it is not a 4. Height is a 4. So 4/3. आता काढावर हा angle किती येतो?
53.30.
53 na? Okay, so 53. So I will consider this theta, this theta, this theta, this theta, theta and theta. This all angles are remain same. Anyone is having any doubt related to this? Tan theta is equal to 4/3. Tan theta is equal to 4/3. Tan theta is equal to again 4/3. Tan theta is equal to again 4/3. Tan theta is also 4 divided by 3. Here also same. Tan theta is equal to 4/3. So every angle is the remain same. So 53 angle is there. Now find out the reaction. Find out the reaction. Now, on which point you are preferring to take a moment?
A.
Correct. So we will take a moment at point A is equal to 0. RC is going to produce anti-clockwise movement. So RC into 12. And only two forces we are required to consider. One is the RC and applied force 120 kilonewton. Applied force RC and reaction force RC and applied force 120 kilonewton. 120 kilonewton, you can check it. You transfer this force here. You have transmitted this force here. Force into this is a perpendicular distance. This is the force. Force into perpendicular distance. Force is a 120. Height is 4. So it is going to produce clockwise movement. So I will write here 120 into 4 is equal to 0. So we will get a value of RC. Find out this value of RC.
480.
It is 40. Correct. 40. Now similarly, find out, do a summation of f of x is equal to 0. Summation of f of x is equal to 0. Only two forces are there. Both are positive. So RHA plus 120 is equal to 0. So RHA is going to come minus 120. RHA is going to come minus 120, and summation of f of y is equal to 0. So here are only two forces are there, RC plus RVA is equal to 0. So RC value is going to come, RVA value is going to come minus 40. Okay, so in this way we have found out the reaction. RHA is minus 120 and RVA is a minus 40, and RC is how much? It is a 40. So in this way reaction we have found out. आपण reaction आता find out केलेले आहेत. Clear? So we have found out the reaction. Now we have required to consider one joint where minimum two unknown should be there. So we will preferably we will take A or we will take C. But I will consider A point. आप दोनों में से कौन सा भी ज्वाइंट ले सकते हैं, लेकिन मैं क्या करता हूं कि पॉइंट ये ही ले लेता हूं. So I will erase this much portion now, and I will draw the FBD of joint A. Those who have not understood, please understand this question and try to solve by your own. This is minus 120. Unknown force we are going to assume they are tensile. Unknown force we are going to assume they are tensile. This is FAB and this is FAD. Angle is 53. So resolve this into two components. And try to solve this problem. If anyone is having any question related to this, you can ask me now. जिसको समझ में आया है वो सॉल्व कर लीजिए, करो. किसी को क्वेश्चन होगा, किसी को डाउट होगा तो पूछो मेरे को, कोई डाउट होगा तो. Now FAB, I'm repeating this, FAB and FAD, we don't know the magnitude. So we have required to assume they are tensile in nature. मैंने इसके लिए एक एग्जांपल भी आपको दिया था. आपको कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन निकालनी है आपके फ्रेंड से, तो आप झूठ बोलते हैं उनको. बाद में वो झूठ बोलने के बाद वो क्या बोलता है कि नहीं मैं उधर गया ही नहीं था, मैं इधर गया था. सो दैट वे यू आर गोइंग टू प्रोवोक देम टू टेल अ ट्रूथ. पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर बोलते हैं ऐसे, जब भी पुलिस केस वगैरह होता है ना, तो वो बोलते हैं कि आपने किया है, ऐसा बहुत फोर्स लगाते. तो वही उसी हिसाब से हमने क्या है कि हमको पता नहीं है, फिर भी हम क्या कर रहे हैं कि अजम्पशन कर रहे हैं कि दे आर टेंसाइल इन नेचर. इफ द वैल्यू कम्स नेगेटिव, देन वी विल कंसीडर नो वी मेड अ मिस्टेक, द फोर्स इज नॉट अ टेंसाइल, इट इज अ compressive. Afterwards we will make ourselves correct. Clear? So find out the value of FAB and FAD. So we have required to consider the first joint in a such a way that there are minimum two unknowns should be there, minimum and maximum. It is not like that कि minimum is 2 and maximum 3. It is not like that. आपको ऐसा जॉइंट कंसीडर करना है जहां दो ही मेंबर के फोर्सेस अननोन होंगे. एक होगा तो अच्छी बात है, लेकिन दो ही मेंबर होने चाहिए उसमें. ऐसा ही मेंबर हमको ढूंढना है और उसका पहले FBD ड्रॉ करना है. सो राइट इट डाउन देयर, FBD ऑफ A, and these forces are concurrent forces, so that we can't apply movement equation. Movement equation is applicable for non-concurrent forces. Remember this. Movement is going to apply only for non-concurrent forces. For concurrent forces, only two equations are there. Summation of f of x is equal to 0, summation of f of y is equal to 0. but for non-concurrent forces there are three equations are there. जहां भी नॉन कॉन्करेंट फोर्सेस होंगे उधर हम 3 इक्वेशन यूज कर सकते हैं, लेकिन जिधर भी कॉन्करेंट फोर्सेस होंगे उधर हमारे पास 2 ही इक्वेशंस है. Remember, this statement is very very important, and whatever diagram I have drawn FBD of A, this diagram is completely related to concurrent forces, so that only 2 equations we are required to use, and we are required to find out FAB and FAD. So find it.
Yes.
किती येते FAB?
87.
ओके. आणि FAD पॉझिटिव्ह येते का FAB?
पॉझिटिव्ह आले.
Okay, okay. So do summation of f of x is equal to 0. FAB is a positive minus 120. Okay. This is a
Plus.
direction is a positive, but magnitude is a minus 120. Remember this. So minus 120, and it is FAD cos 53 plus FAD cos 53 is equal to 0. Summation of f of y is equal to 0. So minus 40 plus FAD sin 53 is equal to 0. Find out FAD value. How much it is?
50.08.
Okay, so I will only consider 50. Okay, I will just consider a 50 point. After point, 2 digits you are required to consider, and that digit you are required to include during further calculation. So put down this value of 50 here and find out FAB.
89.
Okay, 89 I will consider. Okay, so the values are going to come in this way. I will not erase this, and both are positive, so our assumption is correct. Remember this, our assumption is correct. So it is 50. Then second assumption which we have considered, it is 89. Okay, 2 members we have completed now. 2 members we have completed. Now you can't take a B point directly. A, B and C. We have required to consider D. We can't take a B point. हम B point consider नहीं कर सकते. उसका रीजन स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड है, उसमें कोई ऐसा ये नहीं है कि हिडन थिंग्स है कि B पे देख लीजिए, ये मेंबर का फोर्स मेरे को पता नहीं है, इस मेंबर का फोर्स मेरे को पता नहीं है, इस मेंबर का फोर्स मेरे को पता नहीं है. So 3 members are there whose forces we don't know. Only one member force we know that. Only one member's force we know that, but we don't know this and these values. So we can't take this member or this joint FBD. We can't consider of joint B. But if you can take a joint D, इस मेंबर के ये मेंबर नहीं है. For our purpose we have considered this. This member force I don't know, this member force I don't know, but this force I know, member force I know, but only 2 unknowns are there, so that I will preferably consider D joint and I will draw the FBD. Now I think so many students have completed this portion. I will erase. Okay, so I will consider joint D. I know that it is a tensile in nature, 89. I don't know the nature of F, E point, D, F, D.
हॅलो सर,
हाँ
FAD 50 येते.
नाही रे, हाँ सॉरी FAD 50 येते का? हाँ बरोबर, 89 आणि 50 बरोबर. So it is 50. You are correct. I have written there correctly, but here I have transmitted wrongly value. So F AB is 89 and FAD is a 50. So this is a 50, correct? So FBD, I don't know the nature. I don't know the nature of this. I don't know the nature of this. So it is a tensile in nature, and this angle is 53. Now, complete this problem now. Complete this. Resolve this into two components. ये भी एंगल आपको पता है, ये भी एंगल 53 है. ये भी एंगल आपको पता है, दिस एंगल इज a 53. Okay. This force I know that it is a 50. FBD I don't know. FDE I don't know. So you have required to find out these values. So find it now. What is the value of FBD and FDE?
सर FD 60 येते.
60. आणि FBD?
FBD 50.
minus 15.
वजा 50 आहेत.
Okay.
minus 50.
Okay, now I will not write the summation of f of x and summation of f of y, because you know that now how to do this. Just you are required to do the summation of f of x. I will write for your kind information. Summation of f of x is equal to 0. FBD cos 53 plus FDE minus 50 cos 53 is equal to 0. Those have not understood, please write it down. This summation of f of y is equal to 0. So FBD minus FBD sin 53 minus 50 sin 53 is equal to 0. So we'll get the value of EFBD, that is 50. Sin 53 get cancelled. The correct value is EFBD is 50. And
Minus
EFD, minus 50,
minus
sorry. Minus 50, because if I transmitted there, it is a minus 50, correct. And EFD is how much? EFD
60.
60. 60. Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. So in the bracket, it write down, it is a tensile in nature. And this is also you write down compressive in nature. T and C, write it down. So I will show it here. This is in a bracket, write down C. If it is visible, you can check it. This is a C and you write down in the bracket T. Okay. Now here I will show it. See here. FBD is in compressive in nature. Now I knew that. So what I will do here, compressive nature will be towards the joint. So I will show in this way. Arrow you can show it. See here. Compressive means towards the joint. Compressive means towards the joint. Tensile means away from the joint. Away from the joint. So remember this. And here, instead of writing 50 minus 50, I will just write 50. Instead of writing minus 50, I will just write 50. I have not considered negative sign because tensile nature, I have converted it into compressive. Remember this. Here, 60 is there, so no problem. Tensile in nature. So 60 as it is, away from the joint. You can see here. If I consider this joint, away from the joint. If I consider this, away from this joint. Clear? So in this way, we have completed joint D. So we'll consider joint B now. Now we'll consider joint B. Now see here, I know the nature of FAB. They are tensile in nature, so it is 89. I don't know I know the nature, compressive in nature, and this value is a 50. I don't know the nature of this force, FBE. I don't know the nature of this, it is FBC. Now resolve this force into two components. Resolve this force into two components. And try to solve this problem now. This angle, you know that this angle is a 53. Each and every angles are 53. Remember this. So complete it now. Okay, now complete it. FBE and FBC. These two forces you are required to find out. Okay, now what is the value of FBE and FBC?
FBE 50.
And FBC?
89.
28.
28.
सर 28 29 असं येते.
Okay, 28 we will consider. Please check it. Is it positive? Both are positive or negative? Anyone is negative?
Positive.
पॉझिटिव्ह सर बहुत.
Okay, both are positive. Okay, both are positive. Now you can do one thing here. FBC is a tensile in nature. So I will show it is in this way. मैं इसको इसी तरीके से दिखाऊंगा. I will show it in this way because it is tensile in nature. The value is a 28 and this is there. So last one is the FB. This is also in tensile in nature. So it is 50. Please cross check these answers. Remember this. Always cross check your answer with my answer. If any variation is there, please do repeatedly calculation. Or if I am wrong, then also you tell me. Okay. So all member forces we have found out except CE. Except CE. Now what I will do here, I will draw the FBD of joint CE. So very simple again. Reaction, how much it was? It was a 40. This value is a tensile in nature. It is a 28. And this I don't know. This is a FCE. Angle, you know that it is a 53. So resolve this into two components. Resolve this into two components and find out the value of FCE. Just do a one calculation. FCE only unknown there. So you can easily find out this now. Just do a summation of f of x or summation of f of y. आपको वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. Clear? So in this way we have completed this numerical. Numericals are very straightforward. ऐसा अगर भी आपको नहीं लगेगा कि प्रॉब्लम डिफिकल्ट है, लेकिन एक वैल्यू भी आपकी गलत हो गई तो बाकी के सभी वैल्यूज आर कनेक्टेड टू द प्रीवियस वैल्यूज. तो एक वैल्यू गलत हो गई तो ऑल न्यूमेरिकल्स, all the values in this numericals are become wrong one, and after that you are going to get a 0 mark. And in final exam also they are not going to ask only one member, they are going to ask 2 or 3 members. Okay, so find out the value of EFCE. Find out the value of EFCE. Now those who have completed this problem, take a previous problem 3.1.17. Those who have completed this numerical, they can take the next numerical, that is a 3.1.17, which is just above of this example. Just above of this example.
हेलो सर.
हाँ
सर जो परसों टेस्ट दिया था ना सर,
हाँ
उसमें सर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का x का वैल्यू गलत था सर.
हाँ, लेकिन वो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन का क्या है ना, वैल्यू भी गलत आ गए तो एक ही क्वेश्चन था ना वो. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन मतलब 1 मिनट, लास्ट क्वेश्चन ना या सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन?
सेकंड लास्ट सर.
एक्स का कितना आता था आपके हिसाब से, कितना था?
1.2 समथिंग आ रहा था सर।
हाँ, right, correct. No, see here, your calculator is very minor changes is there. 1.08 will never come by any calculator. ये मैंने फाइंड आउट किया हुआ आंसर है, उसमें वेरिएशन तो चलता ही है. 1 आ गया तो सफिशिएंट है ना.
सर वो तो
if the
पूरी
value
सर वो
के
पूरी सर वो लेंगे 2 ही थी ना सर, तो 1.8
हाँ, नहीं
तो
नहीं
उसकी टोटल लेंगे 2 थी सर, तो 1.2
हाँ.
उसमें ज्यादा हो गया ना सर।
1 पॉइंट, लेकिन
1
फ्रॉम विच पॉइंट, एक्चुअली वो प्रॉब्लम क्या हुआ ना कि आप ये पॉइंट से फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं कि सी पॉइंट से फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं, ये जरा थोड़ा मैंने लिखना चाहिए था.
ओके
आप
सर, अगर सी से करेंगे तो सर फिर 0.8 आएगा ना सर।
हाँ, 0.8 आएगा ना, तो इसलिए
हाँ।
प्रॉब्लम वही था कि मैंने वो क्लियर मेंशन करना चाहिए था कि फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए, पॉइंट फ्रॉम बी, फाइंड आउट द लाइन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ रिजल्टेंट पासिंग थ्रू पॉइंट ए, ऐसा मेंशन करना चाहिए था.
सर लेकिन अगर वैल्यू सर कम होंगी तो उस वक्त सर ये ज्यादा ये बड़ी डिफरेंस है ना उस वक्त फिर।
नहीं, फिर भी ना देख लीजिए, इतना 1.08 ही मेरे हिसाब से 1.08 ही वैल्यू आती थी, लेकिन उसमें मैं प्लस माइनस इस 1.2 तक कंसिडर कर सकता था, 1.2 तक, लेकिन 1.8 बहुत होता है.
हाँ वही सर बोल रहा हूँ मैं सर, 1.8 बहुत होता है उसमें।
नहीं, वही तो ना कि वो शायद आपकी मिस्टेक है या मेरी मिस्टेक है, मेरे को पता नहीं चले, क्योंकि मेरा कैलकुलेशन 1.08 आ गया है. इफ एनीवन इज हैविंग,
सर मैंने डबल 2-3 बार चेक किया था सर, उसमें अगर हम उसमें तो माइनस माइनस प्लस की गलती हो जाती है सर, तो फिर 1.8 आता है सर।
माइनस प्लस की गलती हो जाती है
तो हाँ सर, फिर 1.8 आता है सर, लेकिन मैंने 2-3 बार फिर ट्राई किया फिर से, ठीक फिर 1.2 आ गया सर कंटिन्यू।
हाँ, 1.2 आया तो वो बराबर है ना आपका.
ठीक है
1
सर
पॉइंट, हाँ, 1.08 मतलब ये 1.2 हो गया. मैंने वही तो बोला ना कि आपकी वैल्यू मैक्सिमम 1.2 तक आनी चाहिए, 1.8 तक नहीं आनी चाहिए थी.
ओके सर।
ओके, ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया, कंप्लीट हो गया. Now what is the value of FC? What is the value of FC? Huh?
-46.
Minus 46. So see, remember this. If it is minus, it should be towards the joint. It should be towards the joint. So it is 46. Clear? So in this way, we have completed this numerical. If anyone is having a doubt, any question related to this, you can ask me. Okay. So first diagram which you have drawn, no, in that you can show this representation. जो आपने पहले जो डायग्राम निकाली था ना, उधर ये प्रेजेंटेशन दिखा दो कि एरोज टुवर्ड्स द जॉइंट टेंसाइल, टुवर्ड्स द जॉइंट टेंसाइल, कॉम्प्रेसिव, टेंसाइल, टेंसाइल, कॉम्प्रेसिव, टेंसाइल. ओके, सो लास्ट डायग्राम शुड इंक्लूड दिस एरोज. जो आपकी डायग्राम है उसमें ये एरोज इंक्लूड होने चाहिए. Clear? I will take the next numerical. I will give a small amount of any hint for this numerical, and afterwards you are required to solve this problem as a homework problem. So now you can check, this problem is very simple. It is not that way difficult, because in this type of a problem we don't require to find out reaction. Why I have not required to find out the reaction, that also I will tell you. Now this is the numerical. FBD of this numerical is in this way. Now my first question for during solving this numerical is that why we are required to find out the reaction. I will ask to us some specific person. Rule number 19, Kaivalya. Rule number 19.
हाँ सर.
आपल्याला रिएक्शन फाइंड आउट का करावं लागते?
हॅलो.
हा, आपल्याला रिएक्शन फाइंड आउट करण्याची गरज का, हा प्रश्न आहे माझा.
सर आवाज ऐकू येत नाही.
आता तरी येत, आत्ताच ऐकू येईना का? पहिल्यापासून ऐकू येत नव्हतं. हॅलो. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लेम. ओके, प्रशांत, रोल नंबर 57, प्रशांत नागने. प्रशांत नागने.
सर.
हाँ, आपल्याला रिएक्शन, why we have required to find out the reaction. Question is very simple. हमें रिएक्शन फाइंड आउट करने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ती है ट्रेसेस में? क्योंकि उन्होंने तो पूछा है मेंबर फाइंड आउट करो. हम पहले रिएक्शन फाइंड आउट करते हैं, बाद में मेंबर फाइंड आउट करते हैं. Why unnecessarily we are wasting our time? हमें रिएक्शन फाइंड आउट करने की जरूरत क्यों है? You think about this. I will give a 1 or 2 minutes to you. Then afterwards I will explain. I will explain to you.
सर रिएक्शन फाइंड केल्यावर आपल्याला मेंबर करणार ना.
Now I will ask Adesh Kulkarni, 73 roll number.
Yes, sir.
Why we are required to find out the reaction in trusses? In beam it's okay. They are asking to find out the reaction. बीम मध्ये आपल्याला रिएक्शन फाइंड आउटच करायला सांगते, पण ट्रस मध्ये तसं कुठं क्वेश्चन आहे का की ते काय म्हणते मेंबर मधले प्रोसेस फाइंड आउट करा.
बॉडीवरचा एक्सटर्नल फोर्स इक्वल टू 0 आणायचा असेल तर
नाही. Okay, I will explain to you. Now see your previous two problems. If I don't find out the reaction, I can't solve problem. It is not possible to solve the problem. The reason I will tell that, कौन सा भी आप जॉइंट फाइंड आउट जॉइंट ले लीजिए, प्रीवियस टू दो प्रॉब्लम में आप देख लीजिए, कोई भी जॉइंट ले लीजिए, रिएक्शन जब तक आप फाइंड आउट नहीं करते, ऐसा कोई भी मेंबर हमको नहीं मिलता है जहां अननोन दो है. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस. आप रिएक्शन फाइंड आउट नहीं किया ऐसा सपोज करो, और एक कोई भी ऐसा जॉइंट सर्च करो, कोई भी ऐसा जॉइंट सर्च करो जिसपे अननोन मिनिमम दो है. ऐसा नहीं है, हर एक मेंबर में 2 से ज्यादा अननोन है, हर एक ज्वाइंट पे 2 से ज्यादा अननोन्स है, इसलिए हमको रिएक्शन फाइंड आउट करने की जरूरत पड़ी। इफ मेरे को ऐसा सिचुएशन मिल गया कि जिधर 2 मेंबर ही खाली अननोन है, उस सिचुएशन पे मेरे को रिएक्शन फाइंड आउट करने की जरूरत नहीं है। नाउ दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ दिस। नाउ इफ आई विल कंसीडर द जॉइंट सी, नाउ यू टेल मी दैट FBC and FCD only 2 unknowns will be there at joint C। मैंने ज्वाइंट सी कंसीडर कर लिया, तो FCD एंड FBC ये 2 ही मेंबर के फोर्सेस अननोन है। लेकिन प्रीवियस प्रॉब्लम में आप देख लीजिए, ऐसा कोई ज्वाइंट नहीं है जिधर कम से कम 2 मीन्स 2 ही मेंबर अननोन है, ऐसा सिचुएशन किधर भी नहीं है। 2 ही मेंबर अननोन है, ऐसा सिचुएशन नहीं है। सो इफ सच टाइप्स ऑफ ट्रेसेस आर देयर which we can call as next cantilever trusses, we don't require to find out the reactions. I will directly consider joint C. I will directly consider joint C and I will draw the FBD of joint C. Now see here, this is a 2000 FBC, sorry, FCD, and this is another force. This is FBC. I don't know the value of FCD, so that I have considered it is in a tensile. I don't know the value of BC, so I have considered it is a tensile. Now I don't know the angle of this. So how I will find out? I know this is a 4, this is a 3, 4 by 3. Just now we have found out it is a 53. अभी हमने फाइंड आउट किया है, वो एंगल भी फाइंड आउट किया था, tan theta is equal to 4 by 3, so it is a 53. So resolve this into 2 components. Resolve this into 2 components and complete this problem. Resolve this force into 2 components and complete this problem.
सर हाइट 3 आहे ना?
सर हाइट 3
हाइट 4 आहे हो, ठीक आहे इथं बुकलेट मध्ये 3 आहे काय? एक मिनिट. Oh, sorry. It was a 3. I have wrongly written here. So it is 3 by 3. How much it is tan theta?
45.
Okay, 3 by 3. 1 theta is equal to tan inverse. It is 45. Correct. So it is 45. Okay, now complete the problem now. Complete the numerical. Find out the value of FCD and FBC. Now completed. What is the value of EFCD? What is the value of EFCD? ये वैल्यू और ये वैल्यू कितना है? If I will do the summation of f of y is equal to 0, you will get the value of EFBC directly. And if I will do the summation of f of x is equal to 0, you will get a value of EFCD. You tell me now this. Okay, now what one thing, this problem will be for a homework to you. After joint C, you take a joint B. After joint B, you take a joint D. So all the forces you have completed. See here, if I consider a joint B, इस मेंबर के फोर्सेस पता चलेंगे, इस मेंबर के फोर्सेस पता चलेंगे. ये हमने कंसिडर किया तो ये मेंबर और ये मेंबर के फोर्सेस कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे. So we don't require to find out the reaction. Remember this. So we'll stop here for this today's lecture. So this problem will be for you as a homework. Tomorrow I am going to ask the questions on this. You are required to tell the members value, which I am going to ask to you. ओके जिस मेंबर के फोर्सेस में पूछूंगा उसके मेरे को वैल्यू आपको देने चाहिए. दिस प्रॉब्लम आई एम कंसिडरिंग दिस इज अ होमवर्क प्रॉब्लम बिकॉज टू सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स वी हैव कंप्लीटेड. ओके रोल नंबर 1 मयूरी अबंगराव. रोल नंबर 1.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll stop here for today's lecture. Thank you very much.